Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve this 524 error on Roblox Mobile. It's very easy to do. So first go to the Roblox website, click on sign in on a browser. After you're logged in, click on the right hand side and settings. By the way, your account has to be 13 plus and verified. I have a different video on how to do that. It is very easy to do and you don't need identification to do it actually. So once you have logged in, what you want to do on the very top under settings, there's a pull down tab. Click on that. And from the pull down tab, you're going to see something called privacy and content maturity. Click on that. And under privacy and content maturity, you're going to see two different options, but you're going to see communication under that. And under communication, you're going to see experience chat and party. Under experience chat, make sure everything is on everyone. And direct chat is on everyone, and party, friends, and group party, friends. And after you have done that, everything will be good and the error will go away.